If you're wondering which software, QuickBooks or Zoho Books, offers more customer support options, stick around, because we'll break down exactly how they compare. Customer support is crucial when it comes to accounting software, especially if you need help fast. So, which one does a better job of being there when you need it? Let's dive in. First thing, QuickBooks is known for having a wide range of customer support options. You've got phone support, live chat, and even an extensive knowledge base. QuickBooks offers 24/7 phone support, which is a huge perk for those late night questions. But here's the catch: phone support isn't always free. If you're on certain plans, you'll find yourself paying extra for this feature, which can be frustrating. Next thing, Zoho Books provides a more limited range of support options, but is still pretty solid. They offer live chat, email support, and a knowledge base that's fairly comprehensive. The downside here is that Zoho doesn't have phone support, which can be a deal breaker for some. Their support is more email and chat focused, which, while efficient, might not feel as personal or immediate as a phone call. The third thing to note is the response times. QuickBooks generally does a better job of offering fast support through its phone and live chat options. However, their support can sometimes feel a bit impersonal or scripted, especially if you're dealing with something complex. But they've got the scale, which means you'll likely find a resolution sooner. On the flip side, Zoho's email support can take longer, but the responses are more personalized. If you're patient, you might appreciate the extra attention to detail. The fourth thing to consider is the availability of resources. QuickBooks has a massive community of users, which means you're likely to find answers to your questions on forums or in tutorials. This can be a huge time saver if you're someone who likes to solve problems independently. Zoho Books also has a community forum, but it's not as active or as populated as QuickBooks, which means you might not get the answers you're looking for as quickly. Finally, while both QuickBooks and Zoho Books offer solid customer support, they're not perfect. QuickBooks can be a bit overwhelming with its numerous options, which might make navigating to the right solution harder. And Zoho, while focused on simplicity, lacks the phone support many users rely on, which could make critical issues harder to resolve swiftly. So, both have their strengths and weaknesses, but after trying them out myself, if you're looking for something that really nails customer support, with a personal touch, and without the cost of additional fees or waiting for hours, I recommend checking out a better alternative. In fact, if you click the first link in the description, you can take advantage of the best free trial available exclusively for our viewers. You'll get access to support that really stands out and addresses your needs right away, without all the hassle.